Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic Z from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your you versus them. What is your person thinking? How are they feeling? What's going on with you? How are you feeling? What will happen next for you and your person? And love messages from them. Yes, friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now. And I hope you all are doing well, friends, and staying positive and staying at home and staying healthy. I'm sorry I was not able to post the last 2 days because of internet issues. We are in lockdown and there was no one to fix my internet, but finally they helped and fixed it. So yes, it's done. Yay! And friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot personal reading. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Friends, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind, and don't get triggered, friends. Many of you are feeling very stressed out, especially the time is such, friends. It's not everyone is a bit, emotional these days, but take things lightly. Take these readings lightly. Don't shoot the messenger. I am only trying to help you here. I am with you no matter what is the situation. My priorities are fixed. I'm with you. So friends, let's see, and make sure to subscribe, friends, because you get a chance to win a free reading. One person every month is selected for the free reading. So yes, let's see first how you are viewing, then we are going to see how your person is feeling. Okay, so what is happening currently with our viewers? What is their theme energy? Okay, thank you. Oh, Three of Wands. You are definitely not wanting to see this person. I was right. Trigger alert. All right. So, definitely, friends, you are focusing on your future, expanding your life, expansion. If this is a new connection, you want to take it forward. If this is, if you have you want to expand your life, you want to expand your relationship, you are thinking about the future is important for you, you are waiting for things to move, especially if this is a new connection, you definitely want progress, you feel positive about it. Even if this is an old connection, you want change in it, you want things to expand, you want them to contact you, you're waiting for something. Oh, Hanged Man. Yes, you're waiting. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Also, friends, you are changing your perception. You are changing the way you think about this person. Some of you could be feeling like you are stuck in this life, you're stuck in a relationship, or you feel stuck in life. Life is very boring right now. So you are like, what will happen? What will happen? What will happen? Also, for some of you, this could be a no contact relationship where you guys are in no contact and not talking, friends, because I feel like you have some of you. Okay, there are many messages, so some of you have moved on from this person. You are like, we are focusing on our future, we don't want to waste our time. Some of you are like, you are in no contact, so you don't know, but you are still hopeful that something will happen in this connection in the future. Something is there, something will develop, some news, some message will come. For others, if you are single, yeah, you really feel stuck right now. You are like, woof, what's happening? Why this energy is so slow? Why life is so slow? You want some excitement. Four of Cups, boring energy. You guys are feeling like you missed, you feel like, life is not giving you what you want, everything else is coming, like, you are like, you want the yellow color, but God is giving you all the other colors, white, black, green, red, but except that color that you want. So you are like, what is going on? I want this, why are you giving me this? Because there is going to be something better coming your way, I definitely feel. And you're also trying to shift your focus. Right now your focus is like, you're focusing on yourself, your future, rather than your person. You're disappointed with them. Yes, of course. Some of you also, should I say the word, hate them? Hate your person? Yeah, I think so. Don't, because if I not say it, you'll be like, no, we hate them. I know, friends, I know, I understand. I know they have kept you like this, hanging. You're like, what's going on? How our viewers feel about their person? Let's see that. Ooh, two of wands, the Hierophant. I know how you feel now. Ooh, seven of swords, four of swords. How you feel about, how our viewers feel about their person? Two of cups. Yeah, you want them. The Judgment. You want some answers, friends. Justice. Ooh. I told you, friends, you are actually upset with your person. I told you, right? I told you it's a trigger. Don't shoot me. Okay, I'm not your person. I'm only channeling. All right, so I'm just trying to make you laugh and feel happy, so you guys stay happy, and not get so upset. Two of wands. So you definitely feel this person has, you have really matured up from this connection. You have learned a lot of things from this connection, but you feel your person is not have learned anything. You know, they are still very immature. They are still very, like they don't know what to do and all those kind of a person. They're still very immature. You thought this person was a mature person, but I think they let you down in some way. The Hierophant, yes, I think you may have studied with this person or you worked with this person, but different religion, culture, different priorities came in between. Like, your families came in between this connection, or your person was already married. That could also be a problem, or this person was stuck in some job or a third party. So there were blocks in this connection, and you feel like your person just didn't do enough. They could have taken a stand, they could have done something. Right now, also, they can change this situation. You feel that way about your person. Like, your person can be mature, they can tell you something instead of blocking you. They can talk with you, they can resolve things out with you. They can say apologize to you. I think that's what you want, an apology, because you feel this person is they have not done the right to you. They favor everybody else. You feel like they favor family, friends, culture, work, everything. Their priorities are, different. You feel that way. And if this person is putting you in blocking, no contact, your person has put you in there. You want your, sorry, friends, you definitely mean business here. I think some of you are very upset with this person, to the point that you feel like, we'll never talk with them again. What are you talking? We'll never see their face again. I know, friends, I know this person, they have been very slow to act, very, very slow. And you feel like, where is my justice? Where is it? You were sure about this. You still are very sure about this person and this connection, but this person is like, they are very slow moving. They put it in no contact. They might have blocked you. I also feel there was some cheating or some dishonesty. You feel like this person is not honest. You also feel like, if this is a new person, you feel like, can you trust them? If this is a new person, a crush or something, you feel like, can you trust them? Is it trustworthy? Are they gonna stay? Are they talking with other people? So you feel like this could be, if this is a new person, you may feel like they are somebody who is trying too hard to impress you, too hard to win you, or you feel like they are a player in some way. That energy is definitely there. This person could, you have met, you were married to this person. It could be a husband wife, ex-husband wife, it could be a twin flame, it could be anybody, but they have hurted you, friends. And you know that this is not over yet, because they never said sorry, they never apologized, so they need to fix things. Two of Cups. Yes, you still feel a lot of love for this person, even though you may deny it, friends. You feel a lot of love. You feel a lot of connection with this person. Also, you feel like you guys were perfect for each other. You still have a slight hope that one day things will be better. If this is not a married person, you definitely feel like, yes, things can still work out between you and this person. Judgment. Yeah, you definitely want, this person could be living in another city or country. I'm getting Canada, USA, New York, Dubai, all those places. or you could be there. It feels like, the family, they come from a very judgmental family, or how, the things became very complicated in this connection. Even though if this is a new connection or something, you feel like this person has certain ideologies which do not match with yours, or their family, definitely family is a big deal here, which kind of which separated you both, or your person always decides or takes favor of their family. Also, this person could be married, so that's a problem here. What do you do now, so we are stuck, they are stuck, everything is stuck, but the love is very strong. Even though you don't want to see this person's face, friends, there is a lot of love, there is a lot of love in this connection. You still love this person. Let's see how your person feels about you. Let's see that. How is our viewer's person feeling? I'm gonna keep them away for a while. How is our viewers person feeling? What's their theme? Okay, let's take them all. Hermit and Eight of Wands in reverse. Oh my god. I don't have any reversal. So how come it went reversed? Okay. This person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The signs I'm getting are Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. How is your person feeling? They are feeling a hermit, friends. They are hiding. They are trying to rethink, re-understand what they have done. They know they have made some mistakes. They know they have effed it all. They have, made some mistakes. They regret it. And I do feel this person is focusing on themselves, their health, or something. They are not talking with you right now, but they are also not talking with anybody right now, because they are going through a phase where they are looking inwards, in their heart, in their mind. They are trying to think about what they have done. They are trying to, this person is, if you feel like this person is seeing somebody else, no, they are not. They are not talking to anybody else. They are not seeing somebody else. This person is like, they are a mystery right now, friends. They don't want to show who they are, what they are doing. This person maybe also have closed their social media, or they have not posted anything recently on their social media. If you have messaged this person, they have kept you on the scene. They have not replied to your messages, your last few messages. This person has not replied, but they know that they see your messages but don't reply. Why? Because they are going through this phase where they are sitting in a cave and meditating. Seclusion, isolation, self-doubt, self-thinking, reflection. They know they made some mistakes. They know they have done something, and they are not in a mood to communicate. They are also full, yeah, they are focusing on, they are also dreaming of a new start with you, friends. They also want to reunite with you. They see in the future, they are going to meet you, and there will be a positive new start in this connection, or in some way they will try to reach out to you in the future. That is what they think, like this is what they will do in the future in their mind. I also feel, friends, your person is going through a new start in their life. Like it could be a work situation they are working on, they are starting a new business, or they have some health issues, diabetes or anything, it could be anything, so anxiety or anything. So they are trying to heal it. So there is a new start going on. Maybe they are married, so there is a new start going on. But this person is right now, I feel like if they are single, they are not with anybody else. No. In fact, they are not even in a mood to socialize or talk with anybody. How does our this person feels about our viewers? Oh, passion. Look at that. Super, super attraction. Queen of Aquarius. Yeah, I told you. You guys could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I love you all. Ooh, super. More attraction, more love, more. I don't know what to say. I'm a bit shy. Ooh, Knight of Pentacles. How is this person feels about? Oh my God. That you saw that the couple fell together. Did you saw that? Wow. Never seen the cards, the message so clear. Oh my God. All right, let's start. And don't shoot the messenger, friends. It's my job to channel. I'm channeling as best as I can. If you don't like this person, don't shoot me. I'm with you. All right, Ace of Wands. This person feels a lot of attraction for you, friends. This is like they just can't resist you. They have this amazing undying passion for you. This person is like they have never seen anybody like you, friends, and they feel so excited when they think about you. And also they are dreaming of a new start with you. Yes, they dream about it. This fool, they feel in the future sometime they can be with you, because they feel this spark, they feel this attraction they have never felt before. Because the Hermit, and look at that, this is a fire energy. You have literally sparked this person's life. This person is like a dark sky, and you are like the fireworks which happened, and they are like, wow. Wow. So you have sparked this person's life, and they can't tell you. This is not something you can describe in words. This is a very strong attraction that you also feel the same way. Two of Cups. You also feel the same way. But the ways of expressing in both of you are different. So that becomes a problem. Let's see what else. All right. Aquariusly, the Queen of Swords. I feel this person feels, that you guys are not going to forgive them. Our viewers are very strict, very, truth is very, loyalty, truth are very important. So this person may have not replied you, ignored you, or they might have, maybe they cheated on you, they talked with somebody else, or there was a third party. So they feel you guys, our viewers, are very strong, you are very loyal, and you will not forgive them. They see that your defenses are high, they know what you are going through, your anger, your the way you want to shut this person away, like don't want to see your face. They understand all those things, they do. What else? The Devil. Okay. So I feel like this person is constantly thinking about you. They are obsessed about you. I feel recently you may have also thought a lot about this person, and they keep obsessing about you, because this person is like maybe they just can't get over you, friends. They have some addictions, like they can't express their feelings. They are too shy, or they were in a third party, so now they are ashamed to show their face. We will see the love messages. I have these love messages, so we'll see what is going on. But they also feel like you feel it was a fling for them. They were just playing with you, they were just flirting, it was just lust, not love. But I think this person is going through some issues, friends, health issues, or excess, like this person has a lot of anger, or they have a lot of like they just don't want to talk, they can't talk, they are in a bubble which they cannot break, like they are going through anxiety, depression, or they are very independent, like, hey, I'll do it alone, don't help me. So they are like that. So there is this thick, but they are still obsessing about you, friends. You have to understand that even if they are not replying you back, they are still stuck on you. This person cannot help and think about you. The Star. Yes, friends, they still feel very hopeful for this connection. They still feel very connected to you, and they have never seen a person like you, friends. This was a magical connection. It is like, the moon, the sun and the moon falling in love. So it could be a twin flame for you, it could be a soulmate for some of you. But this person was like, I have never seen anything like this. You are like a star for them, shining bright, stunning in every way. Ten of Cups. They definitely dream of a family with you. They wanted to marry you. If they are not married, they definitely want to marry you. If this is a new person, a crush or something, yes, they do feel very like they do hope that someday you will get married with them. there is this hope also. They may, you guys were like family friends or something, you guys know each other's family. They also feel that the loss of a family, like they lost something, like like they lost their own something, like their own, how do you say, like they lost something which was their own, their heart, like once they lose you, they lost everything. They lost their family, their home. The high priestess, yes, they have you in very high regard, friends. This person really regards you. They also feel you are very, very intuitive. They share a telepathic connection with you. Also, I feel like they know you are keeping an eye on this person. They are also keeping an eye on you. So you both are very, very, like spies, spying each other. But in reality, you are like, nah, I don't. If you are if you have told this person you are upset with them, they know that you deep down inside you really love them, just as deep down inside they love you. And you may have this could be somebody, a new crush, who kind of like has a fire for you. They are very passionate about you, but they keep denying it. See, I don't like you. See, I'm this is we are just friends, so this is not, they are denying it because they know, it, the right things, the right things. If you feel this person likes you and they still care for you, yes, you are right. But if you feel if you have been telling them you don't like this person, you hate them, they know it is not the truth. They know this Two of Cups, Emperor. Oh my God. This person sees you as a match made in heaven. You and them. Look at that. Power couples. They know that they have to do some work right now to be this emperor or this empress for you. They realize that because right now they are not very socializable mood, they are not socializing, connecting with people. They know they need to be this emperor. They need to own their energy. They need to let go of these devil energies, whatever is the shadow in them. They need to work on it, and they are trying. And once they have done that work, they do see that you guys will end up marrying. Look at that. The Knight of Pentacles, yeah, I think this connection is moving very slowly, but it is still moving. Even though it is stagnant, it feels almost like this connection is at a pause. But it is not, friends. It is still moving in some way, and this person still loves you. And I feel like they want to message you in the coming times, in the coming days. Yes, I do feel this person will message you. Even right now, they want to talk with you. If you have recently messaged them, they want to reach out to you. They want to say something, but they are going through this antisocial mood. Regret. Look at that. Regret. I know that I cannot change the past. Oh my God. They know if they have messed up, they regret it, friends. What else can they do? Sometimes people make mistakes. Why they do that? Maybe they were not mature. Maybe they didn't know this would all go that way. Gratitudes, they are so grateful that you have met them and they have you in their life. I am thankful for this life and the opportunities that it presents. I think this person may have been egoistic in the past, like they took you for granted. Now they are like, oh my God, what I did. So now they are like, yeah, I'm grateful, I'm sorry I took you for granted. How you feel? Worry. This person has caused you a lot of worry, friends. Worry, anxiety, anger, all those issues. You feel like, what happened? What they did? Whatever they did, you are like, what is happening? You have never seen anything what they did, anything. Nobody ever did anything like what this person did to you. I'm learning that worry doesn't change an outcome. Yeah, you're worried. You're like anxious. Service. Yeah, some of you feel like, you cared for this person, you really cared for them. Like you really understood their pain they are carrying. You understood their challenges. You had connected. You had sympathy for them. You have empathy for sympathy, You felt like, yes, you understand. But I think they just took you for granted. They kind of cheated you, or they kept you waiting, or they put you in a third party, whatever it was. You thought you have done everything you could. You even tried to patch up with this person. but patience is necessary, friends. I do feel this connection is still going on. The fire is still burning very high. So stay patient, friends. I accept that everything happens in divine order. So there is a divine, this is a divine connection. There is divine timing at work. What will happen next in this connection? Who? Spider web. So yes, this is a connected relationship. Things are moving forward, and the spiders are also very Scorpio energy. So this person could be a Scorpio, or you will meet in the Scorpio season, the October season. That's the Scorpio season. I also feel there are, I think they are trying to work. They are trying to work on themselves so they can come back and trap you. Like attract you back in their life. They know it is impossible right now to attract you back in their life, but they are making a plan. This person is strategizing, making a plan to woo you in the future, Caldron. Yes, I do feel, friends, this person is definitely onto something. If this is a woman, they might be actually doing manifestations to win you back. Also, if this is a man, they are definitely praying so that you guys can come together in the future. Cat, wow, they are definitely keeping an eye on you. And also, this person is focusing on self love, self care right now, and also in the future, snail. Yeah, I do feel that's exactly your energy. You guys are like the cat. You love yourself, you're proud of yourself. When you love, you are very loyal, and this person is like a snail. They are like, hey, I'm a little shy, I'm a little this, I'm a little that, and they are very slow. So you guys are a bit different, but I think they are working. They will try. You have to keep your patience. They will take some time. I'll be honest. Snail is like, I'm coming, baby, but it will take me some time. Those people who take a long time to get dressed up? That's this person. Envy, number 20. Wow, I do feel that, maybe this person is jealous, or you are jealous of some things, or the family was jealous of this connection, or there were third parties, friends or family, co workers who kind of. Created a bad energy in this relationship. Now I'm thinking, man, yes, look at that. Your person has not forgotten you. They are still thinking about you. They want you, crystals. They are trying to manifest you, friends. What else will happen in the future of this connection? Healing. Oh my god, the master healer, friends. That's exactly what you all need. Healing. I think that's exactly what the world needs, healing, and that's what is happening actually. The world is healing, the world is coming towards a better balance. Although it doesn't make sense, it is a very chaotic world right now, but we are coming to peace, to harmony, to healing. Fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael. Yes, this connection will heal, friends. Don't worry. Even if you want to move on, you will heal from this connection. Community, I do feel you guys will stay connected. You guys may have common friends. Also, if you work together, it will be easy for you to work with this person, because you guys will. It will heal to a level where you can be friends with this person. Oh, TikTok, yes. This person knows that time is running out. They need to hurry things up. They know that. Deep knowing. Oh my god, TikTok. And I said they know, and the card is deep knowing. Yes, friends. You guys have a deep bond, a deep connection. It's a past life connection. It's definitely. You could be twin flame. All right. What else? Let's see how this person will feel about you in the future. Let's see that. How our person will feel, viewer's person will feel in the future. These cards are so huge. It's a tough. Oh, look at that. Did you saw that? It's the same back and beyond the mind, the heart beats. Number 21. So number 21, 26, 25, 29, 30, 31 are important. Oh wow, yes, friends. This person is always connected with you, friends. Beyond time, beyond anything, beyond the confusion, anger. This person feels they are totally connected with you, and they understand you on a very deep level. You guys could be very strong twin flames, or very, very strong, soulmates. Receiving, number 27. I do feel, friends, in the future, this if this person was not open to receiving your love, or receiving your anger, or whatever, if this person was not accepting, not talking, blocking you everywhere, this person will be more ready for your love. This person will also like to shower you with love in the future. So what a wonderful energy. And I do feel they want to kiss you in the future. Look at that. Music is important. I keep getting that song Hypnotize. I don't know whose song is it. Hypnotize. I'll add in the comments if I find it out. Hypnotize. I keep getting that you got me hypnotized. I have no idea. Taylor Swift Hypnotize. Let me know. It's an English song, of course. Shock of the new. Oh my god. I think this person is going to shock you or surprise you. They are going to come back, and you both are, you both may meet again, and it might be when you least expect it. Both of you. It might be a totally different circumstances. So don't judge, don't be so inspiration. You have really inspired this person, friend. Focus on the light. So yeah, I do know, friends, you don't feel so great about this connection right now, but it is important. They want to see you being happy. They want you to focus on light. Forgive them also. How will this person feel about you in the future? Free from judgment, free to love. Wow. They know that you love them, friends. No matter how or what you say, they know that you love them, and you love them a lot, and they know they are going to, you and them are going to be together. That's what they know. Free from judgment, free from love. That's how they see you. Let's see some romance angels, okay? Healing family issues. So yeah, you both could be going through some sort of family issues right now, or family was a major factor that caused pain in this connection, or your person is struggling with their family problems, but it is time to heal. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Ooh, free yourself. For some of you, it is time to free yourself of the anger, the pain, the resentment this connection is causing you, the judgments. It is time to let it go. It is all creating a baggage, a negative energy. It is, sorry, friends. See, it is making you feel stuck, and that's what you need to do. Unstuck yourself. For some of you, maybe it is time to move on, or you have already moved on, so it is a confirmation. But for others of you, this connection will heal, friends. It will. And it will unrequited love. See? Maybe for some of you, definitely you have moved on from. If you are thinking, yes, it is time to move on. Also, I feel your person is dealing with this and why they rejected you. They are trying to understand that. Why they blocked you, why they rejected you. That's a big question on this person's mind. Why they keep rejecting love when it was there in their hand. Your hand was there, you were with them. Why they rejected you, that's the big question. This could be the one. You have already met the romantic partners you seek. I do feel, friends, the healing will happen in this connection, but it will happen with divine timing. Also, it will happen when you least expect it. So the best thing right now to do is focus on yourself, and don't try and heal what you feel about this person, So let's take some love messages from this person, friends. What they want to say to you. All right. What this person want to say. Oh. Oopsie. All the cards came. I think they have a lot on their mind, on their heart. This person is like, I have a lot to say. Okay. Because they don't talk. I think they haven't, you guys have not talked recently, right? All right. Let's see. Time apart has healed my childhood wounds, healing family issues. See, they are healing, friends. There are certain issues which were not because of you, but because of the family or because of their inner issues. There, maybe this person have anger, alcohol, health issues, family issues, money, career, ego, family. See, brilliant, perfect. They have themselves agreed to it. What else? My soul needs time to heal. Yeah, give them some time, friends. Give them some time. But not wait, focus on yourself. I know I was a jerk, but can you forgive me now? That's a clear message. They know they have They know if they rejected you, they are sorry, friends. Soulmates, they know this now that you guys are true soulmates. This could be the one. Time apart has been changing for me. Time apart has healed my childhood wounds. Time apart has been changing for, life changing for me. So they have different person now. They are working. They are a work in progress, friends. And they will soon be changed person. I am tired of fighting. That's why they are taking a break, not replying. I can feel your pain. Please smile for me. Oh, they know, friends. I told you, when you say you are angry, they know you love them. I feel anxious and depressed. Yeah, I felt that, friends. They are going through some anxiety, depression, or maybe alcoholism, like they smoke a lot, eat a lot, something like that. Weight issues, their own issues. I did not mean to hurt you. If they rejected your love, it was not about you, friends. It was this person who has some issues. They are working on it. Give them some time. My best was not enough for you. Let us talk one more time and make things better. So that's it for now, friends. Make sure you subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye, friends. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you on the next reading.